Hello, today we will guide you through how to clear Thinkorswim cache. Clearing the cache is a quick, safe way to fix slow load times, stale charts, or odd behavior after an update. The cache is simply a set of temporary files the app stores to speed things up. Over time, those files can get outdated or corrupted. Removing them forces Thinkorswim to rebuild fresh data on the next launch, which often restores performance without affecting your account or save workspaces. To begin, open the Thinkorswim desktop app on your computer and let it fully load to the main workspace. If you're prompted to sign in, log in as you normally would. Wait a moment for the platform to connect and finish initial data loading so all menus are available. Next, look toward the lower left corner of the app window for the Settings option. Depending on your display and theme, it may appear as a gear icon or a small settings label. If the window is compact or you're on a high-resolution monitor, maximize the app so the lower left area is clearly visible. Hovering your cursor there should make the control easy to spot. Click Settings to open the Preferences panel. This is where Thinkorswim keeps options that control platform behavior, visuals, and data handling. You don't need to adjust anything else here for this task. The goal is to use the built-in command that clears temporary files and relaunches the app for a clean start. Inside the Settings panel, choose Clear Cache and Restart. When you confirm, Thinkorswim will close, delete its temporary data, and then reopen automatically. You may be asked to sign in again, which is normal. After the restart, charts, watch lists, and other elements will reload from fresh sources. This process does not remove your account, positions, or save workspaces, though it can reset some temporary display states. Give the platform an extra moment to rebuild its data. The first load after cache clear can take a bit longer than usual. Once everything stabilizes, check the issues you noticed earlier. Sluggish response, missing chart elements, or delayed quotes should be improved. And that's all it takes. You've cleared the Thinkorswim cache and completed a clean restart. Consider using this quick maintenance step whenever the platform feels out of sync, particularly after updates or if you see persistent glitches. It's a simple, reliable way to refresh the app and keep your trading workspace running smoothly. Thanks for following along.